Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today we are going to solve GCSE Mathematics topic HCF and LCM. Let's solve this question. It says find for 27, 36, 90 A HCF and B LCM. What we do here, we use prime factorization method. We write 27, 36 and 90. We look for the prime numbers that can multiply to give you 27. This is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 36 gives us 2 times 2, which is 4, times 3, which is 12 times 3. Gives us 36. While 90 is 2. 90 is 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. 18 times 5 gives us 90. Therefore, HCF is equal to, what we do in HCF, we check if 2 will appear in 3 lines. No. What appear in 3 lines is 3. 3 appear in line 1, appear in line 2, and appear in line 3. We check vertically. We write down 3 times. We check again, another 3 appears. Which is 3. Meaning 3 appear vertically in 3 lines 2 times. Therefore, HCF is equals to 9. Therefore, LCM is equals to, we look for the line where 2 appear most. The line where 2 appear most is this. We have to take all of them, which is 2 times 2 times 2. We look for the line where 3 appear most is line 1. 3 appear 3 times, which is 3 times 3 times 3. And the last one is 5. Where 5 appear most, the last number is here. We have to pick the 5. Therefore, LCM will give us 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 gives us 12. 12 times 3, 36. 36 times 3 gives us 100. And 8 times 5 gives us 540 as the final answer. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.